Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the power locks or central locking, guys, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll explain why it's super important to test it so we don't waste your time and money as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. What we have specifically here, guys, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll demonstrate on. Now let us show you here quick. Okay, we'll open the hood and you will notice that you have a fuse box right here under the hood, that fuse box, but unfortunately the fuse for the power locks is not here. But before we continue, let me tell you one thing, why it's super important to test fuses, okay, when you have a problem, because sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're burnt even if you remove them. We'll put a special link to a video that will guys teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to guys actually where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, so check it out. So if power locks, central locking does not work, guys, okay, we'll explain what can easily cause that. Car has been in a little bit of an accident, ignore that, we'll be fixing it soon, runs and drives like a champ. So we'll go ahead, open it, and if you come right here now, okay, you can see this is your spare tire. On the other side, okay, you don't have anything, that's the carpet, right? We just have the carpet here lifted up, and you can see that's the cover for the trunk right here. And if you come to the right side, you have the car battery here, spare tire, and right here we have a fuse box, hidden fuse box. Press here, push to the back, pull it out. Okay, that's where the body control module fuse box practically is located, guys. Now what we will need to check actually here specifically for that purpose, for the power lock central locking system, we'll need to check, guys, okay, now we'll need to check fuse number F9, but this is actually, guys, check it out now, even if you have an empty space, you still count that fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuse number 8 from left to right. Fuse number 8 right here. That fuse, guys. Or from right to left, 1, 2, 3. It will be the third fuse that you need to check. It's a 40 amp fuse, guys. So get the fuse puller that you have provided in the fuse cover and pull it out. If you need to buy a replacement fuse for a good price, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Let me grab a new fuse. Perfect, install it, and that fixes the problem. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.